wingspan about 8 inches. Very nicely done. Gertie, let me go ahead and pick you up. I want to show everyone Gertie. Gertie is a Nicobar pigeon. You can go ahead and rest your arm for just a second there, Chris. Thank you very much. The Nicobar pigeon is one of the most endangered species of pigeons found in the world. They're found in the islands of Southeast Asia, more specifically. Okay. Nicobar pigeon, excellent job. You did an excellent job. Thank you very much for helping us out. Okay, now I'm going to tell, I hope some of you today had a chance to go to our Condor Ridge. That's a place where we go and showcase one of our most popular captive release and breeding programs with the California condor. Now the California condor, back in the early, mid-1980s, was in sad shape. And in fact, at that time, there were only 9 known California condors out in the wild. Now they were in desperate need of help. And we wanted to help them, but we didn't know a lot about the California condor. No facility had a very successful captive breeding and release program at that time. But what we did do is we looked at a very close cousin of the California condor, the bird found in South America, the Andean condor, found in the Andes mountain of South America. Now, we already had a very successful captive breeding release program with the Andean condor, excuse me. With that knowledge that we used with the Andean condor, we were able to design a very successful captive breeding and release program. And fortunately, right now, they're doing much better off than they were in the mid-1980s. Now, this is due to some very good facilities like the Los Angeles Zoo, the San Diego Zoo, the San Diego Wild Animal Park, and especially due to a very special bird. I would like for you to meet Calipia. Again, Calipia is an Andean condor.
Es un animal. ¿Se acuerdan la caricatura del cóndor? Que es muy simpático. Que sale como pony. Que su mamá era mala y quería que el cóndor pasara. El cóndor pasa.
And the Andean condor, they're actually hunting after their cats. Actually spend their time soaring around the thermal currents, which is the warm air rising from the surface. California condor is doing quite well as well. Thank you very much, Leslie and Calipia again. She is our Andean fly. Some of them are ability to mimic the sounds in their environment, and Heather's out here with Congo. Congo's an African gray parrot. Go right ahead, Heather.
Thanks, Steve. Congo, do me a favor, test the mic, see if it's going to work out for you, will ya? Yeah, it's going to work. Hello, everyone. My name is Heather. With me today is Congo. Congo is an African gray parrot. These birds are found in the Congo River basin of Africa. All right, so before we get started, I have to let you understand, these are very social, very intelligent, and they're very playful animals. So if he does something and you like what you see, let him know how much you like it. These birds love your feedback. Do not let his straight face fool you for 1 second. Congo, we're going to get started, okay? Okay, good boy.
Yes, ये बात करो. African gray parrot, something intelligent.
Well known for their ability to talk, but what a lot of people don't understand them on a daily basis. Now, Congo lives in our office, so he mimics sounds like the telephone.
More intelligent, more below.
I like that one too. I like this one as well. We also have a water cooler backstage. Bubbles. Now, why would this benefit these birds out in the wild? Well, think about it. It's a great survival technique. If Congo is able to master all the sounds he hears in his environment, he can mimic those sounds and then produce them and give him a chance to get away from his predators. Say a hawk is flying over looking for a parrot snack, and Congo's hiding in a tree making the sound of an eagle. Well, that hawk's going to move out of the way. Now, Congo knows a sound that might make you move out of the way, and that is the call of his siren. Very good. He's a lot of fun. But we're going to get serious, okay? Okay, good boy. It's time to talk a little bit about conservation. Let me tell you, conservation makes Congo very excited. Yeah. That's Congo excited. We wanted to point out to you all the flags. All the flags you see around our stadium represent the countries that partner with the Zoological Society and Animal Conservation. And folks, that has everything to do with you here today. Your admission to the park, your memberships, and your donations allow us to do the work that we do. And as a thank you, Congo has a big wet kiss. You know, habitat destruction affects everything from big old elephants to duckies. Pansies, even something as teeny and tiny as a frog. A squished frog. You know, one issue that hits close to home for Congo is the illegal smuggling or poaching of these birds from their wild habitat into the pet trade. In fact, it has dramatically affected the wild African gray parrot population. Now, Congo is familiar with this problem. He has summed up the issue with one expression. Congo, tell everyone out there, what do you think of poachers? Oh, she's been fantastic. We're going to say bye-bye. Very good. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Now the word ferruginous means rust-colored. Now you can clearly see where Orion gets her name from the rust-colored feathers on her back, her wings, and her tail. She can spot her prey from over a mile up in the sky. That's over 5,000 feet in the air. And when she does, she can tuck up her wings to reach a top speed around 120 miles per hour. And an excellent way to close our show. Thank you very much for joining us here today at Frequent Flyers. Have a great rest of your day at the Wildland Park, everyone.
Yes.
The gorillas.
There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty little gorilla.
Yeah.
There's no baby one.
I guess I don't see it. I just see 2.
I just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see.
ऊपर है जो डबी आती से
And then he's going like this. Everybody's just, you know, so funny. That must be a battery over there. You know about the
Well, I think they went up that way, so they might be back there behind that bamboo looking at it. They're up there somewhere. Probably can see it.
Get a house with like a full front porch and just sit in a rocking chair.
I'm going to try to get in.
Watch him. I thought you don't want to run with the
Well, you know, in the trees and the water.
No, nothing to no.
Ahí viene uno. Venga, ahí hay uno.
हाँ फुट मसाज उतरी हाँ ओ बाप रे केम શું થયું આ ગોરીલીને શું થયું ઓને મારું છું હમણાં એકદમ હમણાં મારું
અડલ્ટ મેલ કેમ લીડ કરે અડલ્ટ ફીમેલ કેમ લીડ કરે
બાપી હવે તમે મારો હે ને
આ ગોરીલા તો અસલ આપણા માણસ જેવા
કે ના
Oh my god.
આ સાઈડ જો તો નાઇટ શોટમાં મૂકવાનું જેવું લાગે ને 10 ફૂટ હોય જો દર શૂટ Sorry guys, I forgot.
Are you 20? Are you 25? Are you 30? Are you 35? Are you 40?
पाछू खूप मारिए
Okay, चलो फ्लो करो.
Okay.
His wind is strong.
His wind.
ચાલો હવે કાપી કાઢો જલ્દી ફટાફટ.
चलो
ચાલ પરી.
એપલ આપણે કાલે જતા હતા ખાઈ છીએ રસ્તામાં. એપલ ખાઈએ એટલે એક જોક ઇન્ટરનેટ પર જોક હતો. એક
Thursday.
એક છોકરી હતી એના બે બોયફ્રેન્ડ હતા. એક સરદારજી હતો ને એક ડોક્ટર હતો. એટલે પેલો સરદારજી રોજ પેલી છોકરીને એક એપલ લાવીને ખવડાવે.
ફ્રાઈડે.
બસ that's it.
સેટરડે.
Oh, eat an apple and then give to doctor away. So funny. एक छोकरी.
Stop doing that.
I love you.
I love you.
बवाल नहीं करो.
I like it.
What?
Who's there? Who's there?
Okay, who's there? Okay, Mila. Who's there? Who's there? It's Pari. The dangle. It's the house.
Get that. Get away.
Hi Pari.
Look at my little piggy. Good. Go back to your stupid little Barbie house.
हाँ શું કહે
The town of Mesa.
એટલે તમને 25-50 જેટલા લાઈક 5 પાઉન્ડ 10 પાઉન્ડ તમને બેગ એક આપે.
ખરું.
10 પાઉન્ડ ભરી લો ને ડોલર લઈ લે તમારા જોડે.
Right.
એવી આપણા ઘરની બાજુમાં જે બધા એપાર્ટમેન્ટ બન્યા ને
Yeah. મારા જાણવામાં આવ્યું.
5
Yeah.
juices in the
Saguaro.
cooler so everyone could get
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
John Deere. અને સામે ચાલુ કરીએ સામેના એરિયામાં પેલું બધું રિઝર્વેશન.
Right.
I repeat, we're there. We're there. We're on the highway.
No, we are not on highway.
Look, he's taking a lid off the road.
I know
Driving
it's so
through
boring.
the
એ લોકોનો પોતાનો બિઝનેસ રાઈટ. You get Pari? Tell her that she need to
She
sleep.
slept a little bit, then she woke up.
Daddy, we should have gone
એ છે ને એને
એ લોકો
I
દિલ્હી માટે એ લોકોને
પેલે
માલવા
land
આજે ઇન્ડિયન રિઝર્વેશન કેટલું મોટું છે?
લાઈક કેટલા
Yeah,
100
yeah.
સ્ક્વેર માઇલ્સ.
Who's conducting?
The Indian homes. આઈપોડ ની હવે એ ચાર્જ કરાવવો પડશે તમારે.
મને ખબર કેવી ના બેટરી હોની.
guys, it's okay. It's fun. Sit back and relax.
I thought it was like 12 o'clock.
Sit back.
and enjoy.
Are we there? Oh, boy.
How about that?
Oh, એક કીડ આપણી જોડે માની સ્પીડે જવાય.
રાઈટ.
7-8 તરીકે નીકળ્યા હોત ને આપણે.
યા ખરું.
તો અમે અડધો કલાક એમાં વધારે ગયો હોત.
યા
I have that song on my iPod. I want to listen to it if we can get the speaker.
Yeah, nice to
You
hear
guys
you.
have it.
યા
I have it.
Do you have it?
You could connect
પાછળ
that
બે કસીનો ગયા આપણે ફ્રીઓ પાછળ જઈશું ને
Yeah.
ત્યાં તમને જોવા મળશે.
રાઈટ.
to my computer.
અમે લોકો હમણાં આવ્યા યુમા ને બધી થઈ ત્યાં પણ અમુક વચ્ચે 2-4 કસીનો આવે.
Oh yeah.
આ કસીનો ને પેલો કસીનો આમ કરો.
એ બધા પાછળ રિઝર્વેશન જ હશે.
રાઈટ. યા.
મને યાદ છે ઇલિનોયમાં રિવર કસીનો હોય, લેન્ડ ઉપર કસીનો નહીં બનાવે.
અચ્છા.
એટલે ત્યાં આગળ
It's roadside. Time to talk about roadside.
હવે આપણે સીધા હોવર ડેમ તરફ જઈએ છીએ.
હોવર ડેમ. એક જ ફ્રીવે ચેન્જ કરવાનો આવશે.
રાઈટ.
60 આપણે વચ્ચે એક 79 લઈ લઈશું. આ લોકો છે જનરલી પેલી બાજુ જે રહેતા હોય ને, આપણે દૂર છે એટલે આપણને થોડુંક લાઈક 80 માઇલ જેવું વધી જાય, પણ જે આ લાઈક મારી જોબથી વેસ્ટમાં જે રહેતા હોય એ લોકોને 200 માઇલ જ થાય ભેગા.
રાઈટ. યા. રાઈટ.
કારણ કે છેક વેસ્ટમાં રહેતા હોય ને ત્યાંથી પછી બીજો એક વચ્ચે નાનો ફ્રીવે લઈ લેવાનો.
યા. એ હોવર ડેમ કયા એરિયામાં છે?
1828 એક્ઝેક્ટ એરિઝોના નેવાડાની બોર્ડર પર. રાઈટ ધેર ઓન ધ બોર્ડર.
રાઈટ. એ કોલોરાડો રિવર ઉપર છે? કોલોરાડો રિવર ઉપર હોવર ડેમ?
યસ.
અચ્છા.